This is our practical app of deep learning's group assignment. So our group assignment is about image classification. We use the technology of CNN to complete this task. We split our all scripts into 6 sessions. The first session is about loading the dataset. So we use this dataset from the Pytorch. And next we have some data pre-processing transformations to improve our performance of models, to let our models have more features about our datasets. And then we setting the batch size and our classes size, and roll the training dataset and the test dataset. So this is we define all of the categories from this dataset. And next we just define a CNN network. Actually, we made a very deep networks about CNN because our dataset is very complex. So initially, this CNN's network is very simple, and we transform the simple CNN into the more complex CNNs to support our complex datasets. And we have descriptions of our CNN networks, pictures like this. The teachers from our GitHub group assignments project. And then we define the forward functions and create our networks. And next, we just define the loss functions and optimizer. You can see in our projects we use two types of loss functions. So one is called the cross entropy loss, and another is called this one. And yes, we have tried to loss functions in our group assignments. Yeah, we just want to see if we change our loss functions into another loss functions, so whether our models will have a good performance. And then we just use optimizers to define our learning rate and the weight delay. And these optimizers will update our model's parameters related to the learning rate and the weight delays we provide. And the next sessions we defined the main functions. Is about our model trainings and how we calculate the training's accuracies, test accuracies, and saving models functions and the drawings graphics functions. This is the save models functions. This is about the test accuracies function. This is the functions about calculating chain accuracy. This is the main functions we defines our procedures how to change our model. As you can see, after we change one batch image, and we will calculate the uh, average loss value, and also we will calculate the chain accuracies and test accuracy, and add both accuracies into the variables we define respectively. And this script is about our early stopping mechanism, because totally we have 50 epoch numbers to run the process of training. And if if our training process didn't have any good performance about test accuracies in the 50s epoch numbers, and then we will early stopping our process of training. And if once we calculate the test accuracies didn't have a good uh, performance compared the last epoch numbers test accuracy, and then we will add one values into the and give the values to the parameter variables of no improved epoch. And then if the values of these variables equals or greater than the variables we defined the patients, and if you call these functions you didn't give a patients, and then we will give default values into the variables of patients, and the default values is 5. And if the value of these variables equals or greater than the patients, and then we will break our process of training. And also we have another early stopping mechanisms variables, and this is called the loss threshold. And also if our loss loss values less than the loss thresholds we define, and then we also will break the process of training. And the next session is about testing a batch of data. Yeah, we just testing the first 100 image and output the result, and also drawing graphics through the graphics we can better see our model's performance. And the last session is our main programmer entries. Through these variables we can set our epoch numbers, and our default epoch number is 50, and then we call the main functions, which is called the chain functions, and we make photos, the functions of make photos, we define from these sections. So we define these functions to calculate graphics about as the epoch numbers increasing, we can see the trends of our trend accuracies, test accuracy, and loss value. And also we will lastly we will calculate the test accuracies about our model, and then we loading our models, we trainings and test encode the test batch functions to test the first 100 image to see the model's performance. And this is all our scripts about our group assignments in the class of practicals app of deep learning. Yeah, you can also see the process of process of training model. And for every epoch, we will calculate the average loss values and also the training accuracies, the test accuracy. And through the early stopping mechanisms, and we will early stopping our process of training. And this is so. Next, I want to share the pictures about our process of training models. So this picture is showing our best one performers about the process of training model, about the best model. Because after more and more times we find the best parameters to give, and also give the parameters into our optimizers and the loss functions, and like the other parameters like batch size and the batch size. Yes, the batch size, and like the loss function learning rate and the wait delay, and we give all of best parameters into the process of trainings, and we get the best performance of our models. This is the picture is show the process of our trainings. Yes, and then we output the first, 100 image we predict through our best performance model. Yeah, this is all the introductions about our practicals app of deep learning's group assignment. Thank you for watching.